Hey guys, so it's Sunny DTape here, and I'm going to show you all the duct tape that I have. I have 46 rolls total, and that counts the duplicates. Let me just move my backpack out of the way. So it's inside, it's kind of hard to see. It's inside my locker in my room. So there's my desk, and that's where I work. Do all my duct tape crafts and stuff. The duct tape used to be up in that little closet shelf in there, but I moved it to here because I couldn't, there wasn't enough room. So I have, I don't know if you guys can see all the way, oh no, it gets too dark. But in the back I have I have 4 rolls of black, 2 open, 2 closed. I have, 2, 4, 5 rolls of white, 3 open, 2 closed. I have 1 roll of tan. I have 2 plaid, 1 skull, 1 dragon, 2 blue polka dot, 1 totally tie-dye, 2 cosmic tie-dye, 1 paint splatter, 2 checkered, 1 leopard, 1 pink polka dot, 2 zebra, 1 Hello Kitty. And then I have 3 in that back area right there. There's 3 red, 3 pink, 2 purple, 1 orange, 2 yellow, 2 light green, 1 dark green, 2 aqua, 1 electric blue, 1 dark blue, 1 chrome. And that makes up 46 rolls of duct tape. So yeah, and I think my dad is gonna let me start selling duct tape on YouTube, like duct tape products. So yeah, I think tonight I'll post a collections volume of all of the wallets that I made. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.